Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 24th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So on the daily, I mean, yes, we do have a nice little 78% fib bounce right here, but it's not engulfing to the upside yet. The trend is very, very, very clearly down because of all the lower highs on the daily. So, I mean, the trend is very, very, very much down on the daily. And this little move up that we're seeing could just be a pullback within a downtrend. There is zero evidence whatsoever that the trend has changed yet. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, if it breaks structure to the upside, I'll be more than happy to become much more aggressive to my longs. To me, like I was saying last week, this looks like a potential A, this looks like a potential B because one, two, three waves down, one, two, three waves up, one, two, three, four, five waves down. So it definitely looks like something that could break structure on the 1 to 4 hour time frame. And if it does break structure, it's either going to go up and make a big old wave C on the daily or potentially a big old wave 3 on the daily, which would produce a lot of pips to the upside. The problem is that the trend is definitely down on the daily. It's definitely down on the weekly. There's really nothing stopping this thing from making a lower high and just continuing that daily time frame downtrend. So always keep in mind your higher time frame trend because those higher time frame trends are definitely king over anything you see on these sort of time frames. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.